GreenOnion is an AI product image generator made for Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify sellers. Just upload a photo to create professional images in minutes without hiring a photographer. In this video, I'm going to introduce the Amazon A+ content module. Let's see how it works. Now we land inside the workflow. At the top, you can see the 4 steps: upload module plan, module prompts, and module generation. The first step is upload. We can upload from the device or use My Photos. I am going to click My Photos. Now we get the photo picker. I am going to select the cleanser photo, and once we add it, it shows up as the primary product photo. Right under the image, there are 2 options, Original and AI Improve. And this is important because the photo we started with is not a studio shot. It is a normal phone photo with a hand in the frame and a real background. So before we move forward, I am going to use AI Improve. Now we get a preview, Original on the left, Improved photo on the right. The original photo still has the hand, the table, and the room lighting. The improved version isolates the cleanser on a clean white background. So this is the better source image for generation. I am going to use the improved photo. Once that is applied, we're back in the upload step. Below the photo, there's a product description box. This is where the app needs the product details before it can plan the A+ modules. The product is Fruit Yogurt Foam Cleanser, Watermelon. After that, there is a language setting. I am keeping it in English. Then below that, there are optional style settings for brand tone, font, and colors. I am leaving most of that on auto, so the app can choose a design direction from the product. Now the upload step is complete, so I am going to continue. Next is module plan. This is where the workflow gets more interesting, because the app is not forcing one fixed A+ structure. Each slot has a module type, and you can choose what that slot is supposed to do. The first module is hook, then we have core selling points, scene proof, doubt removal, result proof, and close. But these are not locked forever. If one slot does not match what you want, you can open the module type and change it. So maybe you want one section to focus more on proof, or a selling point, or a closing message. This is where you decide the role of each image before prompts are created. Below each module, there are feature lines. These are the points the image should communicate. For this cleanser, the plan is pulling out things like watermelon, yogurt, moist foam, refreshing cleansing, gentle daily use, and clean skin. So this step is basically the strategy layer. You are not designing the image yet. You are deciding what each image needs to say. On the right side, we also get the product analysis. It identifies the product as a skincare item. This is a good checkpoint. Before generating images, we can still edit the plan. Once the module plan looks good, we continue to module prompts. Now each module has more control. For every slot, there are 2 optional fields, text copy and design description. And this is an important part of the workflow. You do not have to let AI decide everything. If you leave these blank, the app can generate the prompt for you. But if you already know exactly what you want, you can type your own copy or your own design direction. Then at the top of the module, there are 2 choices, AI Refine and Use Mine. If you choose AI Refine, the app takes your input and polishes it into a better prompt. If you choose Use Mine, it keeps your version, and for that slot, the prompt is not regenerated from scratch. So this gives you 2 different levels of control. You can let the app do the heavy lifting, or you can guide individual modules very specifically. After the module prompts are ready, we move to module generation. First, we choose the output size. In this recording, the selected format is 16:9 widescreen. The other options are landscape and ultra-wide. Below that, all 6 modules show as ready. One small detail, the ready buttons are clickable. So if you do not want to generate one of the images, you can turn that slot off before creating the set. That means you are not forced to spend credits on all 6 every time. You can generate the full set or only the modules you actually want. Once everything looks good, we click Create my 6 A+ modules. On the right side, we can watch the progress. Hook finishes first, then core selling points, then scene proof, doubt removal, result proof, and finally close. Once the generation completes, the app shows all 6 images in the preview panel, and now we can open the project to edit or download. Here we are on the project page. At the top, we still have the original photo, so the source image is saved with the project. Below that, we have the generated designs. There are 6 final images in this set, all for Fruit Yogurt Foam Cleanser, Watermelon. The results keep the same soft green skincare direction. There are also project actions at the top: translate, move, resize, refund, and download all. I am going to use download all, and the app downloads the 6 Amazon-ready images as a zip file. But we can also open one image individually. When I click into a design, it opens in the editor. Now we can see the final module much larger. This one says, Your Daily Dose of Refreshment, with the cleanser in the center, watermelon on the right, yogurt on the left, and a short text block, cleanse, hydrate, and revitalize with Audi. On the left side, there are editing tools. You can remove objects, remove the background, clean the photo, grab an object, add an object, redraw an object, paint text, edit text, regenerate, resize, or translate. So even after the A+ module is generated, it is not locked. You can still make edits, regenerate parts, resize the image, or download the final design. If you want more product image tips, Amazon listing examples, and AI workflows like this, follow me for more.